Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Snapchat login issues. Common errors solved step by step clearly. First, check that your phone has a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off to refresh your network connection. Open a browser and visit any website to confirm the internet is working properly. Make sure Snapchat servers are not down by checking a trusted status website or social media reports. Fully close Snapchat from recent apps and reopen it to clear a temporary loading problem. Restart your phone to reset background services that can block the login process. Update Snapchat from the App Store or Google Play to fix bugs in older versions. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic to avoid security token errors. Try logging in using your username instead of your email, or using your email instead of your username. Carefully retype your password and confirm caps lock is off and there are no extra spaces. If you forgot your password, use forgot your password and reset it via SMS or email. If you see connection error, clear Snapchat cache in the app settings if the option is available. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, and clear cache. Then reopen the app. On iPhone, offload the app in iPhone storage settings. Then reinstall it to refresh app files. Disable any VPN or proxy app because Snapchat can block logins from masked networks. Turn off any ad blockers, firewall apps, or DNS filtering that may interfere with Snapchat services. Check if you are trying to log in from multiple devices and log out of other sessions if possible. If you see temporarily locked, wait the required time and visit Snapchat's unlock page from a browser. After unlocking, avoid repeated failed attempts because it can trigger another temporary lock. If you see could not find matching credentials, confirm you are using the correct account and not a similar username. Verify your email and phone number in Snapchat settings if you can access the account from another device. Make sure your device has enough free storage space because low storage can cause login and update failures. If you recently changed your password, wait a few minutes and try again to allow the change to sync. Enable two-factor authentication only after you can log in successfully and save your recovery codes. Check for system updates on your phone because outdated OS versions can break app compatibility. Uninstall Snapchat completely, restart your phone, and reinstall the latest version to fix corrupted installation files. If you still cannot log in, contact Snapchat support with your username, device model, and screenshots of the error. Keep your account safe by avoiding third-party Snapchat apps because they can cause bans or login blocks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.